We don't have to remix it up. Best shouts. East St. Louis. Rain G.
If you believe in
what
the
up,
S,
Snoop Dogg?
you be relieving your
What up, Wiz
stress.
Khalifa? We taking it to LA. We taking it to PA.
If you
What's really
believe
good?
in the S, you be relieving your stress.
Work.
Shout out to Rain G, Beat Raider Volume 1. I'm repping New York and out here in the A, just kicking it.
Look at my room, man, cloudy than a beach. We rollin' Snoop Dogg, smoking with the leaf.
Now I'm out here in Atlanta, Georgia.
You know, we're walking
the mall right now. So, you know, gotta be on the lookout for Beat Raider. Matter of fact, you can go download it off Deathkit. You know, check out Facebook, YouTube, SoundCloud. There's many more out there. I really want to enjoy it. Don't go out and check out
when I ride by.
I can see the whatever you want to call it. Shout out to Rain G, Big Raider.
Shout out to Rain G, this queen from Memphis, Tennessee. Shout out to my homie Rain G. Shout out.
Rain Cat, rollin' Snoop Dogg, smoking Wiz Khalifa. Look at my room, man, cloudy than the beach. Birds fly, I'm in my cookies.
Don't forget to grab the Beat Raider. Also, I got Beat Raider Volume 2 coming out. Category 5, that's my album dropping. Then you got Lil Trap and Rain G mixtape.
Hey, what's going on? This is Brian G. This is N.U.T.'s videos. Do a special tribute video for Rain G, who lost her life a couple of weeks ago. I want to send my condolences to her family, friends, and fans. She was a true talented artist, and I'd like to pay my respects by contributing to this video show dedicated to her. Rest in peace, Rain G. He was a talented person.
Well, my name came from, you know, well, if you read up about me with my BI, you know, you see my first name is Shireen. So we bring the rain because the rain plays a major part of Shireen. It kind of sets out who Shireen is and who Shireen ought to be, and plays a big part. So when I came with the rain, then it was a lot more to it. So I spaced that rain out with the G or whatever, and the G stands for everything. And what artists in the industry right now I look up to is well, I'm gonna start from back then to way up. You got, as a shorty coming up, it's like Bone Thugs and Harmony, you know, you had Tupac, Brad, Lil Kim, but nowadays I'll be more, you know, kind of trying to buy with their music or whatever, because you got a lot of different stuff out now, so it's not like it's back then, like, you know, back then it was back then, but now it's now, you know, Meek Mill's, Trina, Young Jeezy, you know, it's a lot of different artists. It's a couple more artists out there. Lady C, Lady C, Honey Dip, you know, all them type of artists. That girl Netta, you know, it's, you know, you got a lot of artists, but I can't really sit here. I should have just had a piece of paper, you know, naming all the names, but nah, I can't really sit here and name all of them. But yeah, them the artists are, you know, out there, you know, and it's like, that's what I'm looking at, you know, looking into, you know, looking up to, so play a big part too.
It's crunchy time, and it's Rain G, baby. Yeah, let go. Any minute, money more. I ain't never gotta pick a bitch. Motherfucker know what it is when I step in your time. I'm running everything that the block that's holding down is mine. So watch your face, what you talking? Y'all talk about money now, you ain't saying shit. So why you conversation with me, honey? I'm about my paper. Any motherfucker that know when it step to the rain, I'm gotta get the cheap paper. Y'all know I'm getting it. Paper. I'm a team by myself, no friend, no enemy. Got a lot of bitch wanna hate on me, but I'ma keep on doing my thing. Sunshine, so I make it rain, so you know that I'm storming out in your frame. Y'all motherfucker better recognize when I come to to the game, cause I'm true in the game. Got a mean ass attitude. Heart never soft in the game, pussy sweet, other bitches sour. Talk about paper, is you getting it? Cause me and my bitch, we getting it. Got a lot of haters cause I'm winning. As I said it before, anybody know me, they know better. I'm about my cheddar. Look at niggas up, stick at niggas down. Motherfucker better watch out when I clear the ground. You hear them choppers sound. Bow, I'ma sound it out, I'ma clear it out.
Welcome to the worst nightmare of all. Reality.
Moving bricks like I'm running out of Gucci house. Hustler, yeah, like get it. From my city to your city to the next 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 city. I'ma keep on going hard in the city. Cause I'm queen of the city, bitch. But y'all thought this shit was over. Nah, I'm just getting reloaded. Leg up. Niggas love me, I'm on my Carrie Hilson. With a fat ass and thick thighs, with a pretty girl swag. Gives in the mall, but I ain't from the south. But with the D-boy down there walk. Got a couple killers on the 10, stay ready with the beam. Aim it at your feet, if you muggin', blast your ass off. Tell a nigga to cash out, it pays cost to be the boss. And where I'm from, you bitches are loud. Some of you bitches need to quit that dream. Making the paper, that's what I'm scream. Drinking, it got me lean. So that shit gon' send me 3D. Gotta run it high like I'm high and see. Y'all beat that game like 1, 2, 3. A, B, C, D, E, F, I'm a G. Never a lane, not in me. Not in me. Don't forget to grab the Beat Raider. Also, I got Beat Raider Volume 2 coming out. Category 5, that's my album dropping. Then you got Will Trap for Range. Give a damn if I didn't kill it. And I don't even give a damn how you feel about it. I'm riding solo, solo. I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo. Got a lot on my mind, wanna be alone, don't worry about bothering me. I got my drink in the cup, my music so turned up, spaced out. Trying to keep my cool so I don't gotta spaz out. I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo. Got a lot on my mind, wanna be alone, don't worry about bothering me. I got my drink in the cup, my music so turned up, spaced out. Trying to keep my cool so I don't gotta spaz out. I'm riding solo, tonight my convo don't got no time. Nah, right now. Got a lot of shit on my mind. Them haters when I cross that line. Dealing with this music shit, I swear you don't know half of it. Got a lot of know what I go through. Situation from home to the streets. I feel like it's gonna be the death of me. As I drink this bottle, even thoughts keep coming, telling me why you keep styling G. We got your back, I know that for fact. Huh? I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo. Got a lot on my mind, wanna be alone, don't worry about bothering me. I got my drink in the cup, my music so turned up, spaced out. Tryna keep my cool so I don't gotta spaz out. I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo. Got a lot on my mind, wanna be alone, don't worry about bothering me. I got my drink in the cup, my music so turned up, spaced out. Tryna keep my cool so I don't gotta spaz out. Hello? Hello? Nah, this is solo night. This is solo night. Okay. Okay. Here's something about the streets. They wanna see a real nigga down. My bro in the pen doing 35 now. How my sister keep us? Yes I am, yes I am. I'm on a mission, like Piggy and Brain, tryna take over the whole world, the whole world. Build my empire, got my own army gang. Keep thinking to myself, why I get so much love in a city that I've never been in? My home city, put me down, hell no, I ain't fucking with y'all. Somebody scream, somebody scream. I heard it in my dream. I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo. Got a lot on my mind, wanna be alone, don't worry about bothering me. I got my drink in the cup, my music so turned up, spaced out. Tryna keep my cool so I don't gotta spaz out. I'm riding solo, I'm riding solo. Got a lot on my mind, wanna be alone, don't worry about bothering me. I got my drink in the cup, my music so turned up, spaced out. Tryna keep my cool so I don't gotta spaz out.
Like it ain't no thing, coming in brand new, out with the old, in with the new, crazy racks, we get that, stupid bars, we speak that, these flags need to catch up, cause we already with that, put that on the ground, so, you niggas just don't know, I'm ready for my own, gotta give my mom a new home, some she can call her own, no rent nigga, we on top of what we on,
Bring T up in this bitch, you know I keep them lit. I'm hella paid, I'm hella made. Y'all niggas just hella made. Lord, Looney on my back, just put the ball 30 racks. Keep my crown, my hustle team, my shine on. Y'all niggas don't know how to do that. Y'all bitches can't even get with that. Got a hood with a fucking hater. On top of that, it's double that, triple that, twerk. Y'all bitches can't get that. Got a hater list, just sign that. Lock it hoes, get back. Make my money for free, but now I'm repping this thing. I'm the hottest bitch on the scene. If you broke, you just qualified. Guaranteed I'm winning. Pockets out with a black card. Y'all bitches just rap hard. It's all there in the bug. Guaranteed I'm winning. Pockets out with a black card. Y'all bitches just rap hard. It's all there in the bug. Freeze it up, you get none. Eat bitches for fun. Spin on niggas with cum. Spin on niggas with cum.
taking over like it ain't no thing, coming in brand new, out with the old, in with the new, crazy racks, we get that.
I'ma shine, you can never block it. So what you wanna do? Hold up, wait, it's time to divide the haters on my tray. Taking money while you sleeping, eating and breathing. I be on that ghetto shit, super fly shit that you can't get high with. So catch me if you can, follow me like Twitter. I'm the queen, yes I am. You bitches talk a lot of shit. Ask your man, it was me. Call up on the dick, nappy head, hoes, love sick. I'm the ruler, not the fowler. You clowns. I'm a Gucci boy, yeah. When I'm floating Gigi stars, hustle hard. I need an ace hood boy. Hey, this girl getting paid. I'm self-made, rough. In the town, eating sweet bitches alive. It's time to give me my Wayne shine. Everything is the order. Rain G, baby. The G stand for everything. Bad bitch, free boosted. I call them haters, but God, he call them secret lovers. Rain G, baby.
Just beginning, nigga, trying to make it to the grand. Fuck a hater. I pour out liquor for my grand. Say we hustle, but I work it like the 10. Pushing up, I made a couple dollars and a couple wins. But it's nothing, what I'm making months is nothing average. Got a couple chains, a couple rings, a couple carrots. Talking ruffles, that's what we stuff underneath the mattress. We tricking a bitch, that's why you niggas is hustling backwards. I be getting this shit and flipping it quick like it was magic. I came in the game so insane you couldn't imagine. Bumping your gums and talking in tongues when niggas is blasting. Or break on your arm and blind you some and keep on laughing.
Haters be hating for no reason. Need to get a job, switch it up for the season. Haters be hating for no reason. Need to get a job, switch it up for the season. Let me talk a lot of shit. Nah, cause it ain't in my blood. See them suckers looking bad, bitch. Dream on it. Super clean for it. Queen bee for the crown. And pass it down for the youngies. You started too many horses in the brain. Some like a July. Nicky up in the game. Keep the gangster too real hard spitter. Mia X understorm with the word. EBE, Philly don't know them people and what they stand for. So hood. I play with the haters' mind a lot. Keep them guessing. I'm laughing at you, dumb. And get them sit light up on the phone. Tell the Jesus got home. The one and only, Rain G, baby. Haters be hating for no reason. Need to get a job, switch it up for the season. Haters be hating for no reason. Need to get a job, switch it up for the season.
How would I handle it? It's like when people criticize, you know, do that, do all that extra crap. That's motivation, you know. That motivates me too, you know. I love it, you know, because without that, it's like how you moving something. I mean, you got to think about it. The more hate you got on you, or the more dislikes, whatever you got on you by people, you know, it's something you doing. Something you doing got to be damn right, because like, who got the effort and the time to put into that, you know, hating and doing all that extra stuff, you know. Nah, something you doing right. So that's how the way I handle it, you know. I don't go try to beef with people or nothing like that. No, I'm gonna handle it the right way. Stay with my business, grind, and keep pushing and keep striving. I mean, it's nothing but words, you know. So there's nothing. Keep it moving.
It is what it is, motherfuckers. You know it is. Rain G. Yeah. You think it's your world? Think again, motherfucker. You just into Rain's world. Mixtape live. Higher than the motherfucker. Flyer than the bird. You bitches talking live. Y'all ain't saying the words. Groupies on your dick. They must want wanna kiss her. Half rapping hoe, I got all features. 16 boys, you ain't killing shit. 12 on my boys, I'll kill your whole clique. Keep my name out your mouth or eat a big dick. The fuck y'all bitches looking at? The fuck y'all wanna say now? You all jealous assholes. Y'all ain't stopping. You did. You bitches say you getting money, yeah, it must be income tax. Y'all ain't doing nothing. Running around town frontin'. Outside of my garage, it's the 2-car hole. And I'm the owner, making money, so pull up on me. Baby Glock on the side with the knife on the dash. I'm up to no good in Mr. Rogers' hood. They treat you like a Cinderella in your group. Ray G, she made the prince understood. They say money and power is all the bitch need, but money and power is the ruler of all evil. Special money, cause money taking over the world. Bitches wishing that they was that one girl. Rain G ain't never give a damn. Rain G ain't never give a fuck. You better watch out when I grab my gut. My gut? Hold up, I'ma bounce back and react a fucking donkey. And it's like a donkey on my track, yeah, it's my track. I can go in and I can go harder assault. Flies told them niggas out, and I'm like, I'm the Miss Boss. Y'all don't really wanna fuck with me, y'all really don't wanna turn to me, cause handle me, you better lock me down, you better take me out, whatever. Y'all already know that shit. It's like a adrenaline, motherfuckers, and I'm a gentleman rush. Feel the pain. Feel the urge. Talk about me. You did. Hold up. Cause I'm on that shit like I'm on a power pill. Not a man, I'm on that power pill. I'm not even in Molly's world. I'm in the Rainey's world. I heard somebody told the feds that bitch getting money. She talking about my name, why you riding on me? A lot of pussy, a lot of niggas and the snitches riding on me. So what you got on me? Nothing, homie. Huh? I've been counting 10s from 5s to 5s to 10s to 20s to 50s and 50s to 100s and 200s and 300s and 400s. And double that, I kept getting stacked. See, when I did this shit, you already motherfucking know that doing on no paper right shit. I swear. You did. None of that. I'm just talking a whole lot. I can do that shit, but it's the real. If you can't keep that shit 100, what the fuck is you saying it for? No, can't hear you. What the fuck you looking at me? Huh? The fuck you looking at me?
You tryna beat me, it's too hard to beat me, cause I'm a problem that can't be solved. You tryna beat me, it's too hard to beat me, cause I'm a problem that can't be solved. You tryna beat me, it's too hard to beat me, cause I'm a problem that can't be solved. You tryna beat me, it's too hard to beat me, cause I'm a problem that can't be solved.
I kill folks. Life unprotected, ain't no need to wear a vest, cause them choppers going above your neck. Tech 9, AK at your spine, put a Nike sign on you like you came from finish line. I stay strapped like a snapback, wearing all black like a wrecking ball. Tell me where the cash at, and I'm the TRAV B. Visualize what you wanna see. Prince of this rap shit, you pussy niggas behind me. Fuck what y'all tell me, I do what I wanna do. You niggas wanna dance, so the ticker play a song for you. And I'm with Rain G, you already know what's up. You wanna be me, you dreaming, nigga, gonna stop.
You tryna beat me, it's too hard to beat me, cause I'm a problem that can't be solved. You tryna beat me, it's too hard to beat me, cause I'm a problem that can't be solved. You tryna beat me, it's too hard to beat me, cause I'm a problem that can't be solved. You tryna beat me, it's too hard to beat me, cause I'm a problem that can't be solved. Wanna beat me now? Ain't no me just to get your proof on fire. I'ma be G to the day my breath stop. Blow one cell in your mouth, hit you one time, then your words ain't coming out. Hit your orders high.
Nah, I mean, whatever you call it, the thing ain't for everybody.
What two?
Most of us rushing into it anyway, you know what I'm saying?
Bad.
You ain't rushing for love, and I ain't out there to judge, so let's neglect the way that's it. Nigga do what it does. Yeah.
Is it baby? I never made love, no, I never did. But you know how the fuck I be a bad girl. I prove it. I keep promises. I'll be good to you, 'cause I had shoes. I won't make it, not happening, but at least I can admit that I'm bad. No, yeah, I'll be good in bed, but I'll be bad to you. You ain't never met a bitch like me, coming up with all my pretty shit. Then I'm taking back to my crib. Maybe we can go to the holy holy, where we can take it back. Matter of fact, let me count it down to the level. Big brother, he got that level one. Let's go in the bed, but I know I'm a bad girl. So when it's there, I'll knock the bed, blew it back out, front to the side, yeah, he know what I like. And they get it down right, let me talk this shit, 'cause I'm in this shit right now. I can keep on going, but instead I'ma keep on going with freestyle and me, but take you back to the sheet, and if you know my name, it's to the O-A-I-N, with the space for the G, go ahead, and you can feel the rest in, 'cause I'm bad, and you know it, in kind of ways, not just in the air, in the streets I get paid, woo, and they always know I'm a superstar, and they always know I'm fucking around. Baby, I never made love, no, I never did, but if you know how to fuck, I be a bad girl, I prove it to you.
You know, from JDS out here in East St. Louis. You know, cool ass place. They get to shoot. You don't like cursing on your camera, do you?
You can do you. Be you, baby.
That's me talking. You know, I got a real foul mouth. But yeah, it gets dangerous out here sometimes. You know, it's all cool though. But
Yeah, I run.
shout out to Rain G. You know what I'm saying?
Shout out to my team. Shout out to them niggas. Shout out to my team. Shout out to them bitches. Shout out to my team. Shout out to them niggas. Shout out to my team. Shout out to them bitches. I got shooters on my team. I got shooters on my team. I got shooters on my team. I got shooters. Shout out to my team. Shout out to them niggas. Shout out to my team. Shout out to them bitches. It's real noise, I'm coming out the speakers. BTE, I'll go with them niggas, they stuff like pictures. Teach a couple niggas in the game that they wouldn't think of my brain is better than the next lane. Y'all better watch out, 'cause I play no type of game. While I'm smoking on a good loud pack on that cloud 9. That shit what I bring, as you know. BMS, yeah, that JBE, I fuck with your boys, I hang with your boys, I ride with your boys, I shoot with your boys. Don't give no fuck what they talking about, 'cause guaranteed I got them big guns that'll knock a nigga in his gut. Yeah, I'm a bad bitch, but I told mine. 22 right in my spine. Y'all niggas don't really wanna battle me. Y'all bitches don't really wanna come to me. How better this shit out, knock y'all niggas down. If I say the one round, them 2 shots, then I land a nigga down. Shout out to my team. Shout out to them niggas. Shout out to my team. Shout out to them bitches. Shout out to my team. Shout out to them niggas. Shout out to my team. Shout out to them bitches. I got shooters on my team. I got shooters on my team. I got shooters on my team. I got shooters. Shout out to my team. Shout out to them niggas. Shout out to my team. Shout out to them bitches.
My ankle eyes a whistle, and I'm always carrying that pistol. Got my jewelry on and I wish her. Try me and I bet I got your ass. These dudes snicker. Man, I'm so exquisite, and I put that on the nickel. My team call it the silver. I pocket for them dead man. We stack dead breads and keep it full of dress. Swag so horrific. You would swear I would turn under living death. Got the Nina on my trunk so I can put these bitch niggas ass to rest. Got the Nina and his jet. Got the Nina in his chair.
Shout out to my team for put me on this remix. They ain't cut the leash out. Now I'm loose up on this bitch, hard up on this thing like you bitches never seen before. Head top up, leaving pictures, ego true, but even so, since South the county, all I know is turn it up. Yeah, I'm smoking and I'm drinking on the PO. I ain't giving a fuck. Talk a lot of shit behind the back, face to face, no sound. Either lay down or lay down, we don't play around.
Bitches, the trap hoe, TRAV, bitch. You don't wanna see my whole team, just that BMS shit. I be on that crazy shit. Murder Man and unrated, Rain G, JDS. Fuck you niggas, talk shit, get hectic. Yeah, Black my star shit. And I'm the trap, watch your bitch around the trap, bitch. I'm a goon, jumping out of helicopter, niggas better stop me. I be up on goon shit, knocking niggas out like a Rocky. I don't fuck around, four nicks, I put that on the shit. Niggas talking dumb, but I swear to God, I knock the shit right off the map. Niggas, I'ma snap. You don't want no war, bitch, niggas better stand back.
Shout out to my team. Shout out to them niggas. Shout out to my team. Shout out to them bitches. Shout out to my team. Shout out to them niggas. Shout out to my team. Shout out to them bitches. I got shooters on my team. I got shooters on my team. I got shooters on my team. I got shooters. Shout out to my team. Shout out to them niggas. Shout out to my team. Shout out to them bitches.
You're now listening to the smooth sounds of Rick and Thaddeus music.
She mad I'm always on the road, cause shawty always want her baby. Hey, she send me pictures with no clothes saying, do I make you want it, baby? So we be having phone sex, and when she touching I can hear her moaning. And she said, baby, kiss me through the phone, and baby, we can have a little phone sex.
I'm feeling freaky, baby. Guess you got my picture high. Number one, that loves to please your body. Number two, that I'm feeling for you. Can't nobody do your body like I do. We having phone sex off the blue, even though you on the road. I show my attitude. You put it down on me before you walk away. Elevates my body. Conversation is a must when that phone sex is us. Play with my pussy while you talking dirty in my ear. Sending me kisses through the phone. Imagine you kissing me here and touching me there. Can't wait till you get home so we can do it on the stairs. Take it to the bedroom so you can get my wetness, love.
She mad I'm always on the road, cause shawty always want her baby. Hey, she send me pictures with no clothes saying, do I make you want it, baby? So we be having phone sex, and when she touch it I can hear her moaning. And she said, baby, kiss me through the phone, and baby, we can have a little phone sex, baby.
I'm about to leave the city, I'll be right back. She texts me, I text right back. But how she feels, she can't type that. So go ahead, girl, Skype that. And I'll be watching on my laptop. She's super thick with no ass shots. Matter of fact, I can't watch. When she lose the top, I get brainwashed. Hit New York, then LA, H-Town, then MIA. Getting paid, so I'm MIA. But my girl know I'm worth that weight. When I get back, I ain't playing games. I'ma make your body rain, rain. Take my girl to a different world. She called me the Wayne Wayne. I got that whoop, girl, you know what it is. Phones off, clothes off. Soon as I walk up in that crib, then it's right back to the money, baby. You know how I live. 314, you know the rest, baby. Give your boy a hit, Louie.
She mad I'm always on the road, cause shawty always want her baby. Hey, She sent me pictures with no clothes, saying, do I make you horny, baby? So we be having phone sex, and when she touching, I can hear her moaning. And she said, baby, kiss me through the phone, and maybe we can have a little phone sex, baby. She mad I'm always on the road, cause shawty always want her, baby.
I get bread like you niggas never seen before. If it was a Tylenol, I take the whole dose. No dose got me up all day for Modo, and Modo got me riding big on them low pros. Low hoes looking at me like that boy do it big. Brand like a big dog and hustle like a summer bitch. Who it be, what it is, I'ma show you what it do. Yellow stones on my neck, same color Pikachu. Me and you known from the hood and the hood sick. Ain't a millionaire, but guess what, bitch, I'm hood rich. Slicker than the can of oil, green by the bows, boy. Fresh pair of J's on and live like a dope boy.
Anybody know me, they know better. I'm up on my cheddar, licking niggas up, sticking niggas down. Motherfucker better watch out when I clear the ground. You heard them chopping sound. Real niggas don't fuck around. Greedy money, that green money, that green money. Broke motherfuckers always finish looking funny. Anybody know me, they know better. I'm up on my cheddar, licking niggas up, sticking niggas down. Motherfucker better watch out when I clear the ground. You heard them chopping sound. Real niggas don't fuck around. Greedy money, that green money, that green money. Broke motherfuckers always finish looking funny.
In my city. Rolling in my city, smoking in my city, drinking in my city, so much killing in my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. Rolling in my city, smoking in my city, drinking in my city, so much killing in my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. Drinking bottles in my city, popping mollies in my city, so you know they getting loose, and them guns gon' shoot. Next morning you hear man down, you came down, pop the mollies, now you scream, you ain't mean to do it. On the TV news looking stupid, wishing you made a better choice. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. I love my city, just got some foolishness in it. Couple niggas tryna live right. Baby moms left to be a pappy, living life unhappy. Younger girls getting raped, niggas on the run that he did from a crime a year ago. And if this applies to your city, then this your theme song. What you doing in your city? It's what you do in your city. How you living in your city? How you living in your city? Cause my city is my city. Rolling in my city, smoking in my city, drinking in my city, so much killing in my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. Rolling in my city, smoking in my city, drinking in my city, so much killing in my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city.
Pull up on my fucking city, yeah, I'm killer porn. Take it right to the point, like we working fucking porn. 618-628-01, that's where I'm from. For my city, going retarded, nah, fucking going dumb. I ain't feeling these haters, so my body going numb. On some matrix shit, bitch, yeah, I'm the chosen one. In my fucking city, know you know that it's real small. When we see Hanadonas, we don't fuck with none of y'all. City so small, but we fuck with everybody. Every day to us like New Year's Eve, yeah, a fucking party. City full of cornfield paint, any train track. All about this grind is money, any motherfucking track.
What you doing in your city? It's what you do in your city. How you living in your city? How you living in your city? Cause my city is my city. Rolling in my city, smoking in my city, drinking in my city, so much killing in my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. Rolling in my city, smoking in my city, drinking in my city, so much killing in my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city.
My city stay getting loose, full of the goose. Bitch, you wanna do what I do? Still hollering out, who the fuck are you? I'm down with my city, rollin' with my city. If I was God, I sneeze and bless my city. Niggas in the city getting greedy for the needy. Me and my team, we're ready for anything. Come from the city that'll knock a nigga for his last. 130 on the dash, run around real slow. Smoking in my city, doing whatever the fuck in my city. Cause I live my city, I'm queen in my city. So crown me, nigga. I see you still hanging with them rhyming niggas. Nah, I ain't fucking with you. Get your money up, my nigga, then I might fuck with you. Now that I'm getting money, you swear you know me, but no new friends. I'm still screaming, no new friends. Rolling in my city, smoking in my city, drinking in my city, so much killing in my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. Rolling in my city, smoking in my city, drinking in my city, so much killing in my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my city. I don't know about your city, but my city is my
Yeah, what motivates me is my mother, sisters, brother, you know, they motivate me a whole lot. And you got my team, Range G, they support me and they just motivates me even more harder. You know, my manager, manager, hit me in the head. Let's motivate. That's anything, you know, anything can be motivated, you know, but I'm really, my circle is motivation, so I'm motivated. Well, where I see myself in 10 years, I mean, you know, still with the grind, still with the flow, still with all that, you know, just what I'm doing, you know, keep it moving, keep it going, keep it rising, keep striving. And, you know, with the modern and all that, you know, get more extremely differently, you know, work with different styles, different anything, you know, just keep it on the road, keep doing all that. So, you know how that goes. So, Share Range G, you know, got the beat Rated by You 2 coming out, so make sure y'all grab that one and hit. So, I love y'all, and, you know, Team Range G.
We smoking, Hill stand up by the 6 high. You know what it is, no lie. Bad bitch, you can catch me when I ride by. Pussy, you looking for a bad bitch. You ain't gotta look no more. Couple bad bitches coming walking with me through the door. Pussy, you looking for a bad bitch. We either popping some rock or we getting no more at bottles. I'ma keep going up in this. I'ma keep on doing that shh. Every time I spit on this, I'm making another hit. Yeah, they know me when I ride by. Everybody wanna say hello. Like my name is Mr. Roger. Goodbye. We doing this private party, so you know what it is. Need a 20 in my earpiece, so gonna let that cash spill. Cause I'm the deal. Cause I'm the deal.
Bad bitches and real niggas, some rock shots and champagne. All my niggas do the damn thing, and everybody know what's up. Everybody know what's up. Everybody know what's up. Everybody know what's up. Welcome to this private party. Bad bitches and real niggas, some rock shots and champagne. All my niggas do the damn thing, and everybody know what's up. Everybody know what's up. Everybody know what's up. Everybody know what's up.